everybody. Welcome to the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith show. My brain's working faster than my mouth, if that's possible. All right, we are going to make individual marshmallow treats in the microwave. You can make them in a mug if you want. I'm doing a bowl just because I don't think a mug you can actually get the marshmallows and stuff stirred up. So first off, I have 1 1/4 cup of marshmallows in here. And I have a 1/2 tablespoon of butter. Bam. We are going to put that in the microwave. I'm going to start with 30 seconds and stir it. My microwave is directly wired in and it's hot. So it gets hot fast. So I'm just going to put it in for 30 seconds and we'll show you when we come back. All right, guys, I've had this in my microwave for 30 seconds. Look, that may take longer in your microwave. We'll get that stirred up, all melted. Yum. And you know, Billy would probably want some vanilla, but I'm not doing it right this minute. Or should I? I'm afraid that my marshmallow will cool down too fast.
It will.
So, and then I got 1 cup of Rice Krispie treats. Just like that. Look at this. If you're just sitting around the house and you're like, oh, I feel like Rice Krispie treats, but I don't want to make a whole pan. Look at this.
That's a quick way to do it.
Look at this. 30 seconds. Microwave, guys. And just stir it up. And that's a 1/2 tablespoon of butter, 1 1/4 cup of marshmallows, and 1 cup of your Krispies. Look at that.
And you can just spread that out on a sheet.
Yep.
And then cut squares after it sets up.
Yep. Or you could just take your spoon and eat it like this, which is what I'm going to do. Because, you know, this is individual, right?
Right.
It's mine.
Yeah, so you can eat it.
I can eat it off the spoon. Guys, does it get any easier than that?
No.
No. Now, Billy's going to remember this, and he'd be like, ooh, I want marshmallow Krispies. I'm going to go make them. Marshmallow treats. I love marshmallow treats. I could eat the whole pan, I think. Let's try this.
And if you really want to get festive, you can get the collared rice.
Yeah, listen at him. It's so good, guys. You can't go wrong with this.
I mean, who cares as long as it tastes good?
Look at that. Yeah, you can also, like he said, take it, shape it, put it in a little pan. But if you're just making it for you to sit down in front of the TV and eat, yum.
Yep.
It'd be something fun to do with your kids.
Yeah.
So easy.
Grandkids, great-grandkids.
Well, you trying to say how old I am or something?
No, I'm not.
Yeah.
I'm not insinuating nothing. I'm just saying.
Not at all. By the way, my granddaughter is pregnant. That's what he's saying. But I am going to be a great grandma. I don't know how that's possible. In June.
At 39.
How is that possible? I don't get it.
I think somebody's lying about their age. I mean, that's the only thing I've figured out.
I think I have to go with 49 now because my son is 40. So he can't be older than me.
So you'd be 9 years old when you had him? Yeah.
We're just saying. We ain't going there. We don't know how old he is. He was dropped off by the stork. I don't know how old he is. All right, guys. That's it for this simple, easy, inexpensive recipe. So like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith show. Peace out. Mug marshmallow treats.